Welcome back to another video. In this video we are continuing on our heated wall bench. So far this has been really nice to sit here. We've been using it for a few days, and today we are not going to get on with the drawers as we said in the previous video. We're actually going to get started on this wall and cover it all up, since I feel like that's more important, and we're also going to add an extra touch. The videos have been going out a bit slow since we have no time. We've been working on firewood, which is kind of important in this cold weather and the frost. So yeah, that's why the videos have slowed down, and yeah, now we're gonna get and today push and work hard on this project. So let's get started and measure out to cover this wall up. So as you see, we are done. It does look a lot better already, but there's still some more work to do before we can move on. We still have a small little gap here. Turns out the wood is not 10 centimeters as I thought, so it didn't add up to 60. It actually is 9.7, so it leaves us 2 centimeter gap, and yeah, it's anyways a bit more than 2 centimeters, but we just left a bit more wanted. But we're gonna fill that in. We're gonna get a wood cut, just a slice, and then we also gotta cover up that top. We still haven't attached it, so don't worry, it's not gonna stay jiggly like this. It's just we haven't attached it on the bottom or the top, which it will happen once it's secure. It's just that we can now easily remove it and keep working on the rest of the things without a problem. And also on the side there, from the viewing of the side, also needs a wood. So let's go cut those and bring them and attach them. 4 centimeters, 35 centimeters, 67.
Beautiful snow. Millie, 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 Millie.
That's solid.
Beautiful.
So the wall is solid on and it looks really good. I think it definitely improved. We're not sure about the coloring, oiling, anything that we want to do. Desperate wants to leave it as bright as possible and also not to go with darker browner tones, you know, to kind of blend in, to more like be its own thing. So we'll see. We always can just oil it, cover up the cushioning with something and oil it. But for now, I do want to fix this. I don't like how it looks up there. It's kind of like an empty hole, as you see. So either we have to go this one all the way till the top, or that one has to go like around. So what we decided, we're gonna take this one, we're gonna make another one for there, and we're gonna cut this at 45 so they connect nicely. So let's go do that quickly and finish this thing up.
Yeah, it's gonna look kind of like a crown going around, like a finishing top.
I think that is kind of like a crown molding, so.
Okay.
Looks nice.
He was like, where's my pillow? Why are those really uncomfortable things here instead of a pillow? Evie's really angry that there's no pillow.
This is so dangerous without a cover. Oh, it's a bit on the limit for this thing. She answers me. I'm her favorite.
Evie, where's your pillow? Evie doesn't even flinch.
She's so used to it. It slid a bit down. I'm kind of disappointed, honestly.
Evie?
Kino si Evie? Kino ni malaka? Nah.
Ooh.
I mean, it's just normal.
Nice.
That
is professional.
That is better than expected. And how did it fit so perfectly there at 12 centimeters? Just
amazing.
Tiny bit more and it wouldn't fit.
Seriously? She has to go there on her own.
It's not something I can choose. So as you can see, it is done and it looks really good as it is already. We still need to decide what color. Let us know what you think would look the best. We have also thought about going very dark. Desmond would like this, but it might get really dark the corner, but it contrasts nice against the white. But I think maybe keeping it brighter colors would be nicer. Maybe just a plain oil or something, just linseed oil on it. It would go a bit more yellow than this, but I think naturally anyways with sunlight hitting it, we will yellow even if we leave it with nothing. So rather protect it with oil and not to keep it without anything. But let us know what color could we go with, if you have any other suggestions. And also how much you like it, if it's nice, if this corner is starting to look a bit nicer. Of course, we have a lot more work to do down here. And we are also going to add here something. You'll see that in the upcoming video. And we have a lot more work on the wall itself. It's going to be like a full-on, like a storage wall, plus this nice heated area. We need to add a nice light for reading, because that was a problem as well. This one wants to read, but not to have the big lights on, of course. So we need to add also reading light. There's much more to do with electrical as well. But hope you enjoyed this video. And we are going to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Evie, seriously?